Back. Thousands of John Deere workers have been on strike for a month now. It is the biggest private sector strike in the U.S. since 2019, and there is still no resolution in sight. Seema Modi has been following the story, joins us now with the latest on what it could mean for the prices of Deere products. I would think higher.
Definitely higher, Melissa. I'm told a meeting did take place last night, but alas, no resolution yet. The 10,000 union workers continue to hold out for a better pay package. Deere has indicated that its latest offer, including a 10% wage hike, $8,500 bonus that was rejected by UAW workers last week, is its best and final offer. But the union workers, they want more.
John Deere's stock price has more than doubled since the pandemic began. So there's sort of a sense that we sacrificed. We were told we were essential. Now it's time to basically put your money where your mouth is in terms of these union contracts coming up.
Now, in the event this strike continues, John Deere is making contingency plans, leaning on salaried workers and its international factories to produce extra parts needed by farmers here in the U.S. as agriculture demand just remains incredibly high. Analysts at J.P. Morgan say Deere will have to further raise prices of its farm equipment like tractors by around 1.5% to account for higher labor costs. And it does come amid a rise in worker strikes across the nation at Kellogg in Michigan, healthcare workers at Kaiser Permanente in California. In fact, stories on union workers are up 40% year over year, according to Bank of America. That's the second highest in data history, dating back to 2011. And Deere is not the only industrial that is dependent on union workers. There's Oshkosh, Caterpillar with 17% of employees, and CNH Industrial, another ag equipment company with 14% of employees that are tied to the union, Melissa.
I would think all of those companies are watching this very carefully. Are there contracts up at other companies so that they could be in position to have the same thing going on?
Yeah, so these contracts come up yearly, right? These negotiations take place on an annual basis. So similar conversations, I imagine, are happening at other industrials that are watching this worker movement that is taking place across the nation. And by the way, political consequences potentially as well. Less than a year till the midterms. There's questions about the House flipping, and these strikes are happening in politically important states like Iowa, Kansas, and Illinois.
All right, Seema, thank you.